I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by gathering the right files and tools. Open your duplicated source in the editor. Use WAV or highest bitrate available so processing preserves clarity. Once loaded, create a dedicated track for the mix and another for a copy of the audio so you can experiment non-destructively. Make a quick spectral snapshot to see where music lives versus voice. This visual guide speeds up later removals. Now move to isolation techniques aimed at separating harmonic music from vocal content. You now apply separation methods step by step. First, try center channel extraction for stereo tracks. This often isolates voice if it's pan-center. If that's insufficient, switch to spectral editing. Select persistent tonal regions and reduce gain. Listen repeatedly to avoid artifacts. For complex mixes, run a machine learning source separator and compare its vocal stem to your edits. Combine stems with EQ to restore natural timbre. Make conservative reductions and frequently bypass. You finish by refining the vocal track so it sounds natural. Apply subtractive EQ to remove remaining music resonances, then use gentle compression and de-essing to even dynamics. Tasteful reverb can mask milder artifacts. Automate small volume rides where processing thin the voice and repair transient issues with spectral repair or manual fixes. Once satisfied, export a WAV stem and a final mixed file and save your project state. Troubleshooting tip: if artifacts persist, revert to the backup and try a different separation model or lighter processing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.